Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rapid Fills here. Today I'm making a video about one of the strategies that I use at the open. Usually, this strategy is just a scalp. Literally, just you get in, you take profits, you walk out. Super defined stop, no guessing work, and legit, you can put a hard stop and work it. If it works, it works. It doesn't work, it doesn't work. Usually, I don't take it with full position. I usually take it with 1/3 or half position, just because usually at the open it's pretty risky. You get that wappy action, especially on like algo names like I don't know, Tesla, Facebook, stuff like that. The algos are all over it. So to explain the strategy, let me bring in a whiteboard. So whiteboard right here. Let's pick a color. Let's say green. So let's say this is pre-market prior to this line right here, and this is today. And the stock is moving into these waves, right? It's trending up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, until it puts this lower high. When it puts a lower high, now what are you thinking is, okay, maybe this stock is reversing. Multiple ways to know if the stock is reversing. Obviously, you put a trend line, you see if that trend line is broken or not. Another way to know is to just put a line, right? What's support becomes resistance, what's resistance becomes support. So if you put a line and you see that line broken, which used to hold the price action prior to that, like here and here was a resistance, and then it broke through it, it kind of held it right here, right here, right here, it bounced off of it, now it broke it. So now what you want to see is actually a spike to that level. So today, for example, the stock opens up and it starts hitting that resistance. It can't go through it, and it starts selling off. When that happens right at the open, there is a lot of emotions, right? So you get an overreaction of that movement. So what happens is you can start selling, or that's what I do. I start selling against this level right here with a set stop, and I just want to take more profits as the stock goes. Usually it has a higher win percentage, but the move, it's super fast where you have to react right away. Um, one of those trades actually happened today, and let me bring in a chart. So let's see, where's the chart right here? Even though I did not capture the whole move, but I did capture almost the same move that I drew. So it was like almost a perfect trade right here, or a perfect textbook trade. So all right, I'm gonna mark it. So here's my movement, right? Here is my trend. So now we put in lower high, lower high, lower high, coming from, so the stock closed right here the prior day. It went all the way up, right? Just the prints are so spready, and now it's putting lower highs, and now what I saw is actually breaking this pivot right here. Okay, so this is 1 minute. The stock ramps up against this resistance right here, and it's selling off. As you can see, it opens, it ramps through it, and it starts selling off, right? Let me zoom in here. It opens and ramps up. It ramps up and it starts selling off. That's when I enter my trade right here. I have a line. Obviously, the stock was super spready, but I started taking some profits right there, and then when it started coming back up, I actually took some more here, just so I can protect myself, protect my profits, and put a break-even stop. You can see the stock is so spready that actually the last bit I took a loss on it, right? But it doesn't matter, because the bulk of my trades are in profits. The bulk of my shares are in profits. Literally, this is a trade that I almost see every day. You can see maybe, oh, but come on, you didn't hold for this wash right here, or the stock actually washes even harder. You didn't wash for that. I did not. What I captured was this move that was calculated move. This is not, you don't get this every day, and this is, you get it once, I don't know, maybe once a month. I don't want to trade that I get once a month, but I want to trade that I get almost every day, which is that it rejects, you get it against the resistance, you get your money through the wash, and you're done. uh, Literally, that's what happened today. It just washed, took my profits, bounced, took me out, and then the stock just did its thing. I don't care what it's gonna do next. Again, I hope this is an easy setup. As I said, let me repeat the trade here again. So the stock is trending up, trending up, trending up, trending up, and then it started trending lower, broke that support. Support supposed to come resistance. You wait for that rejection to start, and then I shorted against that resistance, and then I took my profits as it went down right away. One of the trades, Zoom. If you want to look at the chart again, you can go to my Twitter again, at Rapid Fills. Follow me on Twitter. If you're not following me, what are you doing? Also, I traded Shell, so you can go and look at that trade. Let me see. Zoom right here. Posted the chart at 7 hours ago at exactly 6:57, so almost half an hour into the market open. And I also traded JD, which is I update it later. You can take a look at the chart and other charts and whatnot. If you have any questions, let me know in the box below, in the comment box below. If you have any other questions, hit me up on Twitter. I take the time to respond to all DMs as much as I can. Again, stay tuned for the chat room. I'm working on a Discord channel for us to hang out and learn all together and whatnot. My phone's ringing. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.